If you have been using Windows regularly, I'm sure you must be knowing some of the common shortcuts, like if you want to copy something, we use Ctrl+C, or to print something, we use Ctrl+P, and few other ones. But wait, did you know there are shortcuts that can bring 4 program windows in a single screen, or use GIFs, emojis, etc. at any place of your choice? Well, there's a very long list of shortcuts which can be used in Windows to perform many functions, out of which I'll be showing you 25 essential keyboard shortcuts for Windows 10 and 11 that you might not have heard of before, and after using them, it'll definitely help you become more productive. I hope you like them, so let's begin. To open quick settings that are available in the bottom right corner, use Windows key and A, from where you can change your Wi-Fi, enable, disable Bluetooth, and any other thing that you want to do. If you want to access something from desktop quickly, the best way to do is use Windows key and D, which can be used to hide all the open programs and view once again the open programs. If you are lazy to use mouse or slow at typing, use Windows key and H, which will enable the dictation feature and can be used anywhere, be it in your search, web browser, or any app. This is not a voice assistant and only can be used for dictation. You will come across errors sometimes, but that's fine and to be expected with any voice typing feature. Most of the time it works well. With the help of Windows key and I, you can open settings page quickly, and a much better option to avoid the whole procedure of searching in start menu and then opening it. A quick way to secure your computer is by selecting Windows key and L on your keyboard, which will lock your computer. If you have too many programs opened on your screen and want to hide them temporarily, use Windows key plus M, which will minimize all the windows open on your computer. I use this shortcut quite a lot and is very useful. When you use Windows key and N, it'll show you your notifications and calendar whenever you need. Without requiring the mouse, Windows key and T will allow you to cycle through the software or apps pinned on your taskbar. Once selected, press enter to open the program. This is personally one of my favorite shortcuts. Generally, we copy a text or an image and paste it instantly wherever we require, thinking we'll have to do the same process once again if we copy something else and have to keep on repeating this. There's a much better way. Instead of copying and pasting simultaneously, first copy all the kind of content that you want, and it can be from anywhere. But just don't paste it for the moment. Next, open your document, page, or the place where you want to paste the copied items. Over here, select Windows key and V, which will show you the clipboard of items or the text you had copied so far. Select the text or image from here and paste it as many times as you want and at as many places. This way, you don't have to worry about losing any copied item or text. Did you know Windows has a secret start menu? When you press Windows key and X, it'll pop up a list of important Windows programs such as Command Prompt, Run, Task Manager, etc., which are generally used. Many of us use emojis, GIFs, and symbols, and we go on Google to find the right one. Let me save you the time. Don't do that. Microsoft already provides this function in its OS. Upon pressing Windows key and semicolon, you'll get instant access to emojis, GIFs and symbols, which can be used at any time and anywhere. Did you know you can shift any program window to either place on your screen? Select Windows key and the arrow or the direction that you wish to position your window. This way you can add a total of 4 windows on a single screen and is a great way to multitask. Following from the previous one, using the Windows key and up arrow will maximize your program window, and Windows key and down arrow will minimize your program window. You must have come across a text or something in a video that you cannot clearly see, so you put your face into the screen to see it clearly. After knowing this shortcut, you'll not be doing it. When you use Windows key and plus symbol on your keyboard, it opens up the magnifier by which you can zoom in or out of any page, desktop or a video, and such is an amazing feature. Use Windows key and plus symbol to zoom in and Windows key and minus to zoom out. This next shortcut will help non-native English speakers. If you use multiple languages in your work and want to switch quickly between them, select Windows key and spacebar and it will switch the keyboard languages, and it becomes easy to type in the language that you wish to do so. Do note that you have to install the language that you want to use beforehand. Do you come across a thing that you like and you wish to share with another person? Well, in Windows, when you use Windows key and print screen, it takes a screenshot of your whole screen. You can find the screenshots in C drive's pictures folder, and from there you can share it. Do you want to open programs or websites where you wish to do your personal work and do not want it to conflict with your office work? Then select Ctrl plus Windows key and D on your keyboard to create another desktop. This way you can do multiple type of work, keeps them separated and allows you to focus more. When you're using multiple desktops for different type of work, use Windows key plus tab to switch between your desktops. It's quick and efficient. This is a common shortcut, but still I come across many people who do not know how to undo their work or text. In case you have deleted a file, folder, text or anything by mistake, use Ctrl and Z to undo this. This does not work throughout the whole OS, but does work in some places. This is the opposite function of the last shortcut. With Ctrl plus Y, you can redo a work or a text that was erased or deleted. Again, this does not work throughout the whole OS, but works on many programs like web browser, MS Office, or any other. We have all been used to the common method of Ctrl, Alt, and Delete to open Task Manager. But there's a much faster way you can do this. On your keyboard, select Ctrl, Shift, and Escape, which will instantly open Task Manager from any program. Rather than selecting right-click in a folder or desktop and then creating a new folder, select Ctrl, Shift, and N. This way, you can create a new folder immediately. Using the Alt and Tab buttons will help you switch between your programs and is a quick way to access any program. To rename a folder, when you select the function that is the FN button plus F2 on your keyboard, or just F2 in some computers which do not have FN button, you can rename any file, program, or folder. 99% of the people, when they delete anything, the file or folder goes to the recycle bin, from where they empty it, which is an extra step. Well, if you use Shift plus Delete to delete a file or a folder, it'll skip the recycle bin process and it'll be deleted directly from your computer. These were some of the keyboard shortcuts that have helped me in my daily life. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please drop a like and share this video with others so that it helps them out as well. See ya!